All right, guys, I know you haven't seen one of these before on the channel. This is a first. It's a Fisker Karma. It's a really rare car. Look at that. They didn't make much of them. Beautiful Fisker Karma. And it does have exhaust, and we did some exhaust work on it for you guys. So let me show you what we did. This contraption. Custom Y-pipe, custom pipes. Right there. You see that, guys? And then there still has two resonators there. One and two, they go up. It's custom to the max. And then the converters are up there somewhere on the manifold. But as you guys can see, we had to custom make this piece for them where the muffler was. And I'll show you guys the muffler. It's a weird muffler. Very, very slim muffler. So everything, like, instead of running it out the back, they did it there because there's batteries in here. Because it's got the, what do you call it? I'll show you guys in a second. Anyways, there she is right there. Fisker Karma. And as you can see, there is nothing else left. Everything else is under the batteries. It's all like a blank slate. Look at that. And there's the muffler that was on it right there. Goes in through here. Comes out on each side right there. Look, it's crazy too. Super thin. As you guys can see. So it goes in there, comes out. You guys can see right there. Crazy design. So we went crazy with it as usual and got it done. So let us know what you guys think in the comments of the sound. We'll let you hear it in a second. As you guys can see, it's got the solar top, and that's how it charges the batteries. Really cool design. Really beautiful car on the inside, all custom to the max. Just sexy. As you guys can see, it's even got push button to open the doors. Just really cool. There's the drive, park, everything. And it is 4-door too, guys. Look at that. Really cool. Just wanted to show you guys. All right, we'll let you hear it. Go ahead.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
And it's silent. Let's see when he backs it up. Maybe it'll kick in. Go ahead. Just back it up. Electric. It's so loud. Sound decibels are 78. That's my voice. Can't even hear it. It kicks in when it wants to. There's no way to engage it by itself, so. Still cool though. Hopefully it'll kick in a little bit. Let's see. It's not kicking in. It's not kicking in. Yeah. Look at that. It's a cool car. Sorry guys, you couldn't hear it. It's not kicking in. We're trying to get it to kick in. Look at this. Wheels, man. What are they, 26s?
24.
24s. It fits it nicely though. Sick looking car. Look at that. Yeah, it's not kicking in. Nothing. Hold on, guys. Let's see if it kicks in. Fisker Karma. And we didn't even get to hear the sound. We did a muffler delete on it. Nothing. Well, there you go. The most quiet drive off you've ever seen. Hey, there you go. The Charger made up for it. Challenger, I mean.